Всем привет! Welcome to my channel. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I'm going to be showing you this delicious chocolate and cherry vegan pie. Now, I recently made a delicious chocolate pie with cherries on my channel, and I wanted to make a healthier version that has no gluten, no dairy, no refined sugar, and it's absolutely amazing. You get best of sweet sour cherries with a delicious chocolatey nutty base, and this cake is perfect for anyone who has dietary requirements, or you're just wanting to have something healthy and not worry about your waistline. So this dessert is definitely for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. To get access to all my recipes, you can join on my website and become a member today. I have left all the information down below in the description box how you can become a member. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now let's get started. First thing you want to do is add your almonds together with honey or agave syrup. You can also use maple syrup, and melted coconut oil together with vanilla extract. And I'm also adding cherry extract, this is optional, and cocoa powder inside your food processor. You're then going to blitz this for a couple of minutes until it starts to come together and become this nice thick paste. You could also add almond extract too if you wanted to. The mixture should look just like this. I always like to use gloves when I work with raw recipes because it's just easier and they don't stick to your hands. Take your mold, place it onto a board lined with some parchment paper, and then take your chocolate nutty mixture. I usually use the back of my palms and my fingers just to squash the base on top of your cake. And then you also want to create an outer layer, so just add your crushed nuts all around the mold on top, covering it basically all the way to the top. Because this pie is raw, we want a lot of crust in there, and it's gonna look so beautiful as well as it's gonna be so delicious and super healthy. Then what you want to do, you want to take your defrosted cherries, or you can use cherries from a can, and just add those sour cherries right in the middle, just like so. And then you're gonna take your pie and place this in a freezer while we make the fillings. So over here I'm using no added sugar morella cherry jam, and I'm using remaining of my cherries together with cherry juice, and I'm putting it inside my food processor. And then you want to add coconut oil and chia seeds. We're essentially going to be making cherry jam. And then you want to blitz everything together a few more times until it's nice and mixed. The mixture will look just like so. And what you want to do, you want to pour your cherry jam on top of your cherries that we've made before. You could leave it to set as well before you pour it in to make sure your chia seeds have worked through, but I just did it straight away in the pan. And then I decorated it with some delicious almond petals all over the cherry cake. And then you want to place the cake in a freezer until it's fully set. Now after several hours, you can leave this cake overnight. You want to just run a knife around the edges and take your cake out, and this is how it looks at the end. It's very, very beautiful. Decorated or sprinkle with some icing sugar, which is made from stevia, and decorate with some mint, and enjoy this delicious cherry pie. I'll show you how it looks inside. It's like very, very delicious, very juicy and oozy. So if you like the mixture of crunchy and soft, this pie is definitely for you. It's very, very healthy. It's sugar free. It's full of healthy, good fats. And of course, it's got a really nice burst of cherry flavor. You can keep this pie in a freezer up to 3 months, or enjoy it, within a couple of days. This chocolate cherry almond pie is going to definitely be a hit for you this season. It's so yummy, juicy, bursting with large juicy cherries, cherry juice, and crunchy chocolate crust topped with almonds.